Let us take a moment to meditate to the weed eater. Awesome. Okay. So we got the answer to life and everything on the lower plane, and with a couple extra cryptic symbols from a higher source thrown in to boot. Nice. Alpha, beta, what could it mean? It's a sign. I am the beginning, and whatever comes slightly after that. Now go forth and multiply, add, subtract, divide. It's all the same to me, really. And by the way, that's alpha, beta, alpha in Little Endian. Oh, and by the way, the answer is 42. What? Okay. So next, let's see. Let's recycle a little bit. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna do some local labels. Oh, whoops. That's local. Let's see, it's local and locale. Try our neighborhood microbrewery light beer. With all the brain cell killing ingredients you know and love from a liter of high octane malt liquor, but with all the consumable energy removed. Twice the hangover with none of the nutrition. In the previous video, I imported some code from a routine from a file we had created earlier, then had to make a quick check to ensure that there were no conflicts with labels sharing the same name. There are, however, ways to write your code to help avoid such conflicts. Allow me to demonstrate as a hush falls over the weed-eating crowd. Here we go. We're good here. Don't need to push and pop. What we're gonna do, basically, here. Control H. Just routine 1. Sounds good. Close that there. I'm making a routine like this. Oops. I think I copied something I didn't want to. From here to there. There. Okay. And all this can go for the time being to here. There we go. Okay. So call a routine. It's going to do something and return. Good. We're pretty much on the same page with that. So let's say, let's just do something. I don't care. We want to have a routine that updates X or whatever. I'm not even going to go through the trouble of naming any variables. Let's just try and illustrate this as quickly as we can, shall we? Okay, so we're in a routine, and then we're going to make a subroutine here. Yeah, I guess. And then in that subroutine, we're going to just decrement the value that we have in AX. I mean, this does nothing. This we're just for demo purposes. We got a little loop going in there inside, and then when we've come down to 0, jump not 0. Exit the subroutine there. So it'll loop 5 times and exit. Okay, wonderful. All right, so I can, over here, I guess I can save this and go over here and run that. There we go, and it does nothing because we didn't tell it to do anything. Okay, but just for demo purposes, let's say now, like before I said, I went and I pulled some code from another file. Let's say I do that and it's by a different name. Okay, and then I can call that, like so. So there, I'm going to call this routine and then call that routine. Okay, fabulous. Let's save that and go have a look. And right away it tells us there's a couple of errors here. Subroutine inconsistently redefined 19 from the original defined on 12. Oh, okay, what's going on down here on 19? Well, I got this conflict of names here. I've named this the same as that. So now I could go back and, go, subroutine 1, but that's actually not necessary. What we can do is, I'm just going to put a dot here in front of the name subroutine. Okay, and then save that and head on over there, and now there's no conflict. Okay, so these are local labels. Okay, now, so these only apply to whatever is inside this routine, see? So now I got a subroutine, see? It doesn't conflict with this subroutine. There you go. That is local labels.